What's up, guys? I'm here at my local disappointment. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Ooh, check this out, guys. They got the new 5-pack. This is the HW exposed engine vehicles. Let's see. So it comes with the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, the Fiat 500C, the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, the Bone Shaker, and the Rigger motor. So here they are, guys. Nice. Definitely gonna pick this one up. This one I already have. Already picked up those. Let's see what else they have over here. Looks like they got some new monster trucks. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. This is the Roger Dodger in a beautiful matte lime green. Definitely going to grab this one. And here's this bike. The 5-alarm recolor back there. Here's Battle Cat from Masters of the Universe. And there's another Roger Dodger. And they have the Podium Crasher. They have the Gunkster. And they have Thanos. That is it, guys. Let's see what else they have. Gonna take a quick look. There's a lot of gaps, so I'm not gonna waste my time. They have some of these. I already picked up both sets. So these are staying behind. Let's see what they have in here. They have this cool 1959 GMC Fleet option truck. They have this cool 1957 Chrysler 300C. And here they have a cool 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser. And back here is another Gasser. This is, let me see if I can get this out. Alright guys, so here's a 1966 Shelby GT 350 Gasser. This is beautiful, man. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And let's put these back as best as I can. And here, yeah, it's more of the same. Let's see what else they have. Here they have this cool 1966 Dodge L600 and the 1966 Dodge Charger Gasser. Pretty cool. And here's this one. 1970 Chevrolet C600 truck and the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Alright, gonna pass on those. Let's see, here's the 1960 Ford C550 truck and the 1965 Ford Econoline truck. Not bad. Oh, nice. I was missing this one. I was actually looking forward to finding it. So here it is, guys. Fast and Furious Jesse's VW Jetta. Did not have this one. Definitely gonna take this one. All right, guys. So this is my score for today. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I'm at it again. And look what we found, guys. Full stock of Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna go through these really quick, guys, and I'll let you know what I found. All right, guys, so I went through all of this. No Super, unfortunately. So this is what I'm gonna take. 95 Mazda RX-7. Love this casting. Absolutely love it, guys. Gonna pick up this awesome LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT. Beautiful. Gonna take 2 of these awesome Toyota Tacomas. I'm gonna take 2 of these Nissan Skylines 2000 GTRs. This car looks beautiful in this teal color. And last but not least, gonna take another 95 Mazda RX-7. Alright guys, let's see what else they have out here. I have nothing new on these 5-packs. This one, however, is new. This is the Hot Wheels City 5-pack. So they have this cool surf and turf, the dumpster truck, which is pretty cool. And nothing new for premiums. Color shifters. Oh, these are new. Let's see. That one. Here's Wally. Here's Woody, Doug. Looks like there's 7 cars that make up the set. Here's Mike. And here is lucky number 7, Sully. I'm not really into these, but you know, there are different types of collectors out there, so it's good to share, let people know what's out there, you know. Let's see what else they have over here. Monster trucks, Johnny Lightning. Yeah, nothing interesting. And that is it, guys. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Target. Unfortunately, my buddy Danny, you see the guy right there, he beat me to the Super, which is cool. It was the Jaguar. It's all right, I already have it, so happy for him. Nothing from premiums. Let's see what else they have. Look what we found, guys. This is a new wave of the Majorette Porsche edition cars. Very cool. So this one here, I'm a little disappointed because it's a repeat from the previous wave. This red Porsche is awesome. This blue one, the salmon one, and we have this one in green. So pretty cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up. Let's see what they have over here. Box. That is pretty much it, guys. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? As you can see, there's a full stock of Hot Wheels, so let's get to digging. Hopefully we get lucky today. Let's see, we're working with H-Case. Don't worry, guys, I will pick up my mess after I'm done. Let's do this. Sorry guys, I'm trying to go as quickly as possible before other collectors get here. Sorry guys, my arm is getting tired. What is this doing here? Okay. Alright guys, so unfortunately there's nothing here. Let me pick up this mess real quick and then I'll head on over there. Alright guys, so let's see if we get lucky over here. Man, they put out a bunch of them, so that's cool. Go through these as quickly as possible. So I do apologize guys, I'm not going to be doing much talking. But please wish me luck. Hopefully it's my day today. I already have all of these regular main lines. I'm leaving a bunch of them behind. Unbelievable. Come on. Come on, 3-1 super, at least one. Here's the regular. Dice, guys. Oh well, it is what it is. Let me clean this up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went through all of this, cleaned everything up, and this is the only thing that I'm gonna take. Oh well, it was worth a try. Alright guys, let's move on to the next door. What's up, guys? Checking these out. Let's see if we get lucky. We got this cool 2000 Ford Mustang. And here we have this really cool 007 Lotus. Nice. This one's right up my alley. I'm definitely going to take this one. The 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Nice. This is cool as well. This is a 1966 Imperial Crown Custom, aka Black Beauty. Very cool. Then you have the Rat Fink. And there's another Charger. Leave that for somebody else. And here's a 1972 Ford Gran Torino. Pretty cool. There's another Black Beauty. Rat Fink. Another Lotus. Ford Mustang. 1941 Willys pickup. And that is it, guys. So I'm gonna take this awesome Black Beauty. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. It's cool and all, but I think I'm gonna pass. This one I'm definitely taking. This one's really cool. And last but not least, the 2000 Ford Mustang. Alright, guys, let's see what else they have. Looks like they got some NASCAR as well, but looks like it's already been looked through. And let's move along. Nothing new for Hot Wheels. Bunch of peg warmers, fantasy castings. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I did hit a few other stores. I found some cool stuff. Unfortunately, my phone died on me and I couldn't record. Here is what I found, guys. I found these two awesome Kroger exclusive cars. Top one being the McLaren F1 GTR, and bottom one is the Ford Focus RS. I also found this cool Bigfoot. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful midnight blue. Love the flames on it. It's got a couple of sponsors on the bottom, one of them being Summit and the other one Firestone. It's got some cool flames on the hood. And check out the back, guys. That's very, very cool. On the tailgate, if you guys are wondering, it says Bigfoot Racing. Very nice. I also picked up this bad boy right here. This is the AMC Rebel machine from the Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport series. And last but not least, I found the Lancia Stratus Group 5 Sakura Sprinter. This thing is awesome, guys. It's got the Lancia livery and everything. Man, this thing is awesome. I did find the Porsche as well. So this is the Porsche right here, guys. If you guys care for it, it's a Porsche 917 LH. I was not impressed, so I passed on it. But these are the three castings that make up this particular wave. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting. Deuces.